In this video, we're going to do something a bit different, which is see how we can use the Python library Nashpy to study and create these game objects we've been talking about. So the first thing is to install Nashpy. And if you're familiar with Python, installing Nashpy is done in a fairly standard way. There's information of how to do that at Nashpy's documentation page, which you can find links to in this video, in the description of this video, but also online. If you're not familiar with that, then I will refer you to other things that you can use to learn about doing that. And so once we've done that, we're going to import some libraries. The first one we're going to import is Nashpy. If I can get there as Nash. Importing Nashpy as Nash is just convention. You don't have to do that. And then we're going to import NumPy as NP, again, convention. And the first thing we're going to do is create the Prisoner's Dilemma game. So we need to create the matrix for the role player. And so we're going to use matrix A for that. And the numbers are 3, 0, 5, 1. And then matrix B is actually the transpose of A. It's 3, 5, 0, 1. And so NumPy has the ability to just create a transpose relatively straightforwardly. We could, of course, repeat this if we wanted to. And then we're going to create a game. We're going to go nash.game, and we're going to pass it A and B. And if we take a look at that game, we see it's a bi-matrix game with payoffs 3, 0, 5, 1, column player 3, 5, 0, 1. That's how we create a game in Nashpy. Let's go ahead and create another game. We're going to create the matching pennies game. So we're going to create a new matrix, a new NumPy array. And this is going to be 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1. And what we can actually do here is make B equals minus A. We could, of course, also rewrite it if we wanted to. And we can do the exact same, not bash, but nash. A and B. And now if we take a look at our game, you see it recognizes this is a zero-sum game. What Nashpy also allows us to do is if we only create one matrix, it will assume it's zero-sum. And if we only pass it one matrix, it'll assume it's zero-sum. And so that's how we can use Nashpy to create games. At this stage, we're just writing them. There's nothing really interesting happening, but that will come in future videos.